Hi, this is Nada. Here is another video related to human anatomy. If you haven't watched the previous one, I have posted its link below. In this video, we'll talk about human skull, types of tissues and joints found in human body. This topic is more about memorizing rather than understanding. But I have given some mnemonics to make learning easy for you all. This human skull, which looks a little horrifying, is not one structure. It is composed of different types of bones, which are altogether 25 in number. Out of 25, 8 are cranial bones or cranium, 14 are facial bones, and 3 ossicles. First, about cranial bones or cranium, which is the part of skull encloses human brain. 8 bones which make cranium are parietal, ethmoid, frontal, sphenoid, occipital, and temporal. Parietal and temporal are 2 in number, rest all are only 1, so this is how it makes total 8 bones. Bones of face are facial bones, like cheekbone, jawbone, so total 14 in number. Bones make your structure of face. These are maxilla, that is upper jawbone, mandible, that is lower jawbone, palatine, nasal, lacrimal, zygomatic, inferior nasal concha, and vomer. Except mandible and vomer, all are 2 in number. 3 ear bones or ossicles. Stapes, incus, and malleus. Stapes is the smallest bone in the human body. We have different types of joints, synovial or movable joints, which are more in number and permit full motion. It includes shoulder and hip joint, which are example of ball and socket joint. Elbow and knee joint are example of hinge joint. Semi-movable or cartilaginous joint allow little movement. Joints in vertebra, rib cage, movement during breathing are example of this type of joints. Immovable or fibrous are fixed joints which do not permit any motion. As you know now that skull is not a single bone. It is composed of different bones which are joined together but do not allow any movement. Joint in skull also called sutures. Now we'll see and talk about what different types of tissues are present in body and what functions they perform. Nervous tissue responsible for control and integration in the body. It is found in nervous system and consists of neurons or nerve cell. This is the structure of neuron responsible for conducting impulses in the body. It has dendrite, which receive nerve impulses, then cell body, which contains nucleus. Axon is an extension of neuron, carries impulses away from the cell body. Most of the neurons' axon are covered by myelin sheath, which is an insulating layer, allows electrical impulses to transmit quickly and efficiently. And finally, axon or nerve terminals, through which neurotransmitter is released. Connective tissue is a type of tissue that connects, makes structures, provides support, and also transport substances within body. Epithelial tissues are widespread throughout the body. They form covering of all body surfaces, line body cavities, hollow organs, and involves in absorption. Glandular epithelium is an endocrine and exocrine glands where it is responsible for different secretions. Endothelium is the innermost lining of blood vessels. Mesothelium is the lining of Bowman's capsule, which is the part of nephron. It surrounds the organs like pleural membrane of the lungs and pericardium of the heart. Muscles tissue consists of fibers of muscle cells. They are elongated and function by contracting. Smooth muscles are located in the wall of body organs except heart, and they are involuntary in action. Cardiac muscle tissues or myocardium only found in heart, and they are also involuntary in action. Muscle tissues attached to bones are skeletal muscles. They are under voluntary control of somatic nervous system. I hope now these basic concepts would be much clearer to you and you enjoyed the mnemonics I used. So please don't forget to give big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. Share the video if you can. See you guys until next video.